The tuxedo-clad residents of the southern hemisphere, masters of the icy waters and charming waddlers on land, we're talking about penguins. These remarkable flightless birds never cease to amaze with their incredible adaptations and unique behaviors. From the colossal emperor to the tiny little blue, the world of penguins is full of surprises. Get ready to dive into the fascinating lives of these aquatic wonders as we uncover some truly amazing facts that will leave you in awe of these incredible creatures. Penguins, though classified as birds, have traded the ability to soar through the skies for an unparalleled mastery of the marine environment. Their wings, unlike those of their flying relatives, have evolved into rigid paddle-like flippers, perfectly shaped and powerfully muscled for propelling them through the water with surprising speed and agility. With the singular exception of the Galapagos penguin, unique resident of the equatorial islands bearing its name, the entire penguin family is exclusively found in the southern hemisphere. Their distribution spans an impressive range of latitudes and climates, from the icy wilderness of Antarctica and the subantarctic islands, characterized by frigid temperatures and vast expanses of sea ice, to the more temperate coasts of South Africa, at the diverse shores of Australia and New Zealand, and the rugged coastlines of South America. To their survival, and a visual hallmark of most penguin species, is their striking black and white plumage. This seemingly simple coloration is actually a sophisticated form of camouflage known as countershading. When viewed from above by a predator lurking on the surface, their dark backs blend seamlessly with the inky depths of the ocean. Conversely, when seen from below by a potential prey fish swimming in the lighter upper waters, their white bellies merge with the bright surface, allowing them to approach undetected for a successful hunt. Their prowess in the water is truly exceptional. Penguins are not just capable swimmers, they're highly agile and remarkably deep divers. Depending on the species, they can achieve impressive swimming speeds, ranging from a brisk 15 miles per hour to an astonishing 22 miles per hour in the case of the streamlined Gen 2 penguin. Their torpedo-shaped bodies, coupled with their powerful wing-like flippers, allow them to effectively fly through the underwater realm with grace and efficiency. Unlike their airborne cousins, penguins possess solid, dense bones. This seemingly counterintuitive adaptation actually serves a crucial purpose: reducing buoyancy. The heavier skeletal structure makes it significantly easier for penguins to submerge and remain underwater for extended periods, essential for their foraging activities. Feathers are another marvel of natural engineering. These tightly packed structures overlap with precision, creating a dense and remarkably waterproof barrier against the frigid waters they inhabit. This intricate feather arrangement traps a layer of warm air close to their skin, providing vital insulation. To further enhance this waterproofing, penguins engage in meticulous preening, carefully applying oily secretions from a specialized gland located near their tail. This oil helps to maintain the integrity of their feather structure and prevent water from penetrating to their skin. Complementing their feathery insulation is a substantial layer of fat or blubber situated beneath their skin. This thick layer acts as an additional barrier against the extreme cold, providing crucial thermal regulation and energy reserves. While their primary hunting grounds are the saltwater environments, penguins have evolved a clever physiological adaptation to deal with the inevitable ingestion of seawater. They possess specialized salt glands, located just above their eyes, which efficiently filter out excess salt from their bloodstream. This concentrated saline solution is then excreted through their nostrils or directly from their bill, allowing them to thrive in marine habitats without the risk of dehydration on land. Their aquatic adaptations translate into a somewhat comical yet endearing upright gait, the characteristic penguin waddle. However, when speed is required on icy or snowy surfaces, penguins employ a more efficient mode of locomotion, tobogganing. They will drop onto their bellies and propel themselves forward using their powerful flippers and feet, gliding swiftly across the slippery terrain. Despite their individual hunting forays, most penguin species are highly social creatures, particularly during the breeding season. They congregate in vast colonies known as rookeries, which can sometimes number in the hundreds of thousands of individuals. This social behavior extends beyond breeding. Penguins will often huddle together in large groups to conserve warmth in the harsh environments they inhabit and to provide a measure of collective protection against potential predators. Consider the emperor penguin, the undisputed giant of the penguin world. These majestic birds can stand an impressive 1.1 to 1.3 meters tall and weigh in at a substantial 40 kilograms. Their breeding habits are particularly unique, as they are the only penguin species to breed directly on the often unstable sea ice during the brutal Antarctic winter. In a remarkable display of parental dedication, the male emperor penguin incubates a single precious egg, balancing it on his feet and covering it with a brood pouch, while the female undertakes extended foraging trips in the icy ocean. In stark contrast, the little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, holds the title of the smallest penguin species, standing at a mere 33 centimeters in height. These diminutive birds are also unique in their plumage, being the only penguins to sport distinctive blue feathers. They are primarily found in the waters and along the coasts of Australia and New Zealand. When it comes to speed beneath the waves, the Gen 2 penguin reigns supreme. These sleek swimmers are capable of reaching astonishing speeds of up to 22 miles per hour in the water, making them highly efficient predators. The Galapagos penguin holds a special distinction as the only penguin species to venture north of the equator, residing in the unique volcanic archipelago of the Galapagos Islands. Over generations, they have developed specific adaptations to cope with the warmer, more equatorial climate compared to their Antarctic relatives. The king penguin, the second largest penguin species, is admired for its striking and vibrant coloration, featuring patches of bright orange and yellow on its head, neck, and chest. Their breeding cycle is unusually protracted, lasting a remarkable 14 to 16 months, resulting in their breeding colonies being continuously inhabited throughout the year. Penguin feet are not just for waddling on land. Their web structure is perfectly designed for efficient swimming. Underwater, these webbed feet act as powerful paddles for propulsion and also serve as highly effective rudders, allowing for precise steering and maneuverability as they chase their prey. On land, while their gait may appear clumsy, their feet are surprisingly well adapted for traversing long distances. Some species, particularly those that breed far out on sea ice, are capable of undertaking arduous marches of up to 60 miles across the frozen expanse to reach their breeding grounds. In the crowded and noisy rookeries, where thousands of penguins gather, the ability to recognize their own mate and offspring is crucial. Penguins possess excellent hearing and rely on a diverse repertoire of distinct vocalizations, unique calls and squawks, to identify their partners and chicks amidst the bustling colony. So did any of those penguin facts surprise you? Which penguin species is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any other amazing penguin facts you might know. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of penguins and want to explore more of the wonders of the animal kingdom, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Click that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching.